Hey Kat, so here's a quick progress report. I thought it'd be easier to do it on video so you can watch it and stop it where you need to look in more detail at something. So the Wringer is all taken apart. There's the rollers, the water diversion plate, the gearbox is all serviced. There's the Wringer post, and there's the Wringer frame. It's all been wire brushed. Now the original scheme was it was painted silver, so I was thinking I could either clear coat it or just do the whole thing white. So you let me know what you want in that regard. The good news is I finally got the spigot cleared of that screw. Here's the remnants of it. You can see it was literally just rusted in, like it was welded in there. And there's the piece that chipped off the top part, so I got to put that in there and glue it. So my question to you is, there's the screw spigot at the bottom there that a hose can be attached. So my thought is that I was going to close this off where the faucet valve went, and then you can just attach a hose to that, or I was thinking maybe even a tap. Something with like a faucet would be more convenient, because then you can turn it on and off as you need to drain it, especially if you're just draining it onto the ground or out the shed onto the ground, because there's no place to really hook the hose. I mean, you could, I suppose, hook it over the edge of the tub. What I really wanted to do was take out the center post, but two of the nuts or the bolts broke off at the head, halfway threaded into the plate, so that it's held tight, but there's no, I just sealed it off, there's no bolt heads on there now. The other two came out with no trouble. So if I had been able to take out the center plate, I could have completely replaced the water drain arrangement, but without being able to take the tub off the base, I can't get at that, so I just have to make do. And I didn't certainly want to risk cracking this whole plate where the bolts had broken off if I tried to pry it off, because that would have just, if that had broken, project would have been over. Anyway, I gave it a water test, and it agitates really quite nicely. It's a slow agitation. I'll give you a video of it later. It's slow, but it's vigorous at the same time. So I think it's going to do a very thorough job for you. And that's it for now. I'll keep you updated. Talk to you soon.